Good day, my dear learners. My name is Teacher Shaira, and for today's how-to video, I am going to teach you how I make my video lesson through a PowerPoint presentation. So let us first open our PowerPoint application. Yan. So I chose here a blank design. And then let's familiarize ourselves with the tabs that we have here above. So we have here home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, and then view. So later on, we are going to use some of these in making our PowerPoint and in making it into a video format. So Teacher Shaira, why are you using PowerPoint, or why am I using PowerPoint in making video lesson? I find it more convenient than using any other kinds of application. I had an experience in using KineMaster, Power Director, OBS, and other stuffs in editing videos or making the video material. I find this PowerPoint as the easiest one. Okay, kasi unang-una sa lahat, familiar na tayo sa paggawa ng PowerPoint. Pangalawa, mabilis siyang i-record as a video kasi per slide siya. Later on, you will be seeing or malalaman nyo kung ano yung sinasabi kong slideshow recording. Okay, so let us start by putting a design in our PowerPoint presentation. So I will be choosing here this. I will be choosing this. Yan, so in putting a design, pwede kayo actually mag-insert ng picture. Pwede rin yun. Insert picture, tapos i-drag nyo lang para ma-put siya as a background. But in this session, I am going to use yung ating default na dito. So, I will be using this one. Ayan na. Then, let's add a title. For example, the title of our PowerPoint or the video material that we will be making is the classroom or online class rules. Okay. Online class rules. Okay, so pwede tayong maglagay ng subtitle. Kunwari, ang subtitle natin is the tagline of our channel, Learning is Bliss. Learn. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so we have here Learning is Bliss, Learn with Teacher Shaira. So, one secret sa paggawa ng magandang video material through a PowerPoint is your PowerPoint itself. Kung paano mo siya ginawa, kasi ito yung magbibigay ng aesthetic feature dun sa iyong video material na gagawin. So, after putting our title, pwede tayo maglagay ng transition. So, ang transition na ginagamit ko madalas is page curl, pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng iba, depende sa kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin. Let's click apply to all para applicable na siya dito sa lahat ng iba pa nating gagawing slides. And then, for the animation, let's put animation as well. As what I have told you, ang matagal talaga sa paggawa ng video material ay yung paggawa ng PowerPoint and the recording. Okay? Yung paggawa ng PowerPoint and then yung pag-record. Kasi medyo matagal talaga siyang gawin dahil pag nagkakamali tayo, for example, or kapag maingay ang paligid, kagaya ng paligid ko ngayon, nagkakamali tayo sa pagre-record. Okay, so, pero unlike using other apps, as what I have told you, I find this the most convenient in making the video material. So, let's make our next slide. For example, yung first rule natin is be respectful. So, in this part, lalagyan na natin ng laman or content yung ating presentation. Okay, so lahat ng gusto nyo ilagay, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Pwede kayong maglagay ng random ideas. Okay. For example, random ideas about this topic of being respectful. So, bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo ilagay. Hindi na ako magta-type ng maraming words para hindi humaba itong presentation natin. Okay, so, you can put here random ideas. Then, you can also insert pictures here. Pwede ka mag-insert ng picture. You can choose online picture as well. Yan, kung meron kayong i-insert. But this time, since walang laman na picture yung akin downloads, let's just use a shape. Okay, kunwari ito yung picture. Okay. And then, Pag buo na yung PowerPoint nyo, here in our second slide, we can actually put here animation again. So let's just put some animation. For the picture, we will be using bounce. Okay. Kunwari, gawa na, buo na yung inyong PowerPoint. The next step is that you are going to make or we are now going to record your video material. So, kapag buo na yung PowerPoint nyo, again, for the sake of this video, hindi ko bubuuin tong lahat ng online class rules kasi magiging mahaba siya. Okay, so, pwede na tayo ngayon pumunta dito sa slideshow. Now, this is a very critical part in making the video material through a PowerPoint. Kasi sa part na ito, tayo magre-record. Okay? So, ire-record or idadub natin yung ginawa nating PowerPoint. So, it's just like teaching as well, pero through a PowerPoint presentation. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin when you are making a COT video material or any video material that you wanted to share to your students. Kasi 'di ba mas engaging para sa mga bata ngayon when they are hearing the voice of their teacher. So when we send them video materials that we craft ourselves, nagiging mas engaged sila. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to click this slideshow from home. We click slideshow, then we click record slideshow. So, in clicking record slideshow, lalabas dyan itong start recording from beginning, and then start recording from current slide. Now, ang lagi ko dyan pinipindot or kiniklik is start recording from current slide. Bakit? Kasi when I click start recording from beginning, ibig sabihin, sa simula siya lagi magsisimula. So, for example, nandun na ako sa slide 15. Kunwari, hanggang 15 yung aking PowerPoint na ginawa. Nandun na ako sa slide 15, tas ang nagawa ko ay, napindot ko ay start recording from beginning, uulit siya ngayon dito sa simula. So, mapapatungan yung ni-record mo na. Okay, so mauulit siya. Dahil doon, para safe tayo, ang lagi nating i-click is start recording from current slide. Okay, so let's click start recording from current slide. Then meron dyang lalabas na taskbar. Nakalagay sa taskbar natin, select what you want to record before you begin recording. So kung ang gusto mo bang i-record ay slide and animation timings, or narrations and laser pointer. So, ako, kinikip ko lang yan na nakaklik pareho para lahat ma-record. After that, we will be clicking Start Recording. And then, meron ditong lalabas sa upper part, dito sa taas, if you will be looking, may nakalagay dyan, recording. Ibig sabihin, kung ano man yung sinasabi ko ngayon, nare-record na siya as video. Okay? At ang kagandahan dito sa PowerPoint na ito, when we make use of this PowerPoint as video material, so stop natin siya, mare-record mo siya per slide. You will be noticing here meron nang lumabas na parang speaker icon. Pag meron na nitong speaker icon, ibig sabihin na-record na yung boses ko. Na-record na yung sinabi ko habang naka-play yung ating record slideshow kanina. So, pwede na natin siyang i-replay through the slideshow. Pwede na natin tingnan kung tama ba yung recording natin or kung nagkamali ba tayo. And then, again, ang kagandahan dito is per slide siya. Hindi kagaya nung ibang mga recording material na mahirap i-pause. Okay? Or kung ipo-pause man natin, kailangan nating i-cut ulit. Dito, since per slide siya, kunwari, nagkamali ka sa slide number 2, pwedeng siya lang yung ulitin mo. Okay? Nagkamali ka sa part na to, edi mag-record slideshow ka lang ulit. Start recording from current slide, and then yung current slide lang na yun, yung mare-record. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangang ulitin sa kasimula-simulaan kapag nagkamali ka. Okay, so itry nating i-record siya ng dire-diretso. So, delete ko muna to. So, again, we'll be clicking record slideshow dito sa slideshow. Then, record slideshow. Start recording from current slide. So, I will be trying to record it, okay, like the normal one. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagsimula na yung ating recording dito. Ayan, we have here the pause. Pwede nyo siyang i-pause. So, let's start na. So for today's lesson, we are going to have our online class rules. Learning is bliss. Learn with teacher Shaira. The first rule that we have here is to be respectful. And then there you have the random ideas. Then you can tell something about the picture. So at this moment, I will be stopping it. Okay? So kung makikita nyo, since pinlay ko siya na magkasunod, ay meron na tayong speaker icon dito. Meron na rin tayong speaker icon dito. So ibig sabihin na record na yung ating sinabi kanina o yung binanggit kong mga words kanina. Na-record na siya as part nitong ating PowerPoint. Now, Teacher Shaira, how do we save it as a video material? Sabi niyo po, video material through a PowerPoint. Paano po siya nagiging video? So, the trick here is through saving. Okay? So, you have to click File and then Save or Save As. Tapos, pili kayo kung saan nyo siya gustong i-save. Ako, kapag may new documents ako, sa desktop ko lang siya isinesave para hindi ako na liligaw. Kunwari, title natin is Online Class Rules. Okay, so, after that, after putting our file name, save as type. Ngayon, dito nyo i-click kung anong type nyo ba siya isi-save. Okay, so, dito, para ma-save siya as a video, ang i-click natin is MPEG for video. Okay? O MPEG for video, kung ano man ang tawag nila dyan. Pero yan ang i-click natin and then click Save. Okay. Now, you will be noticing that in this lower part, nagke-create na siya as video. Creating video online class rules. So, magsisave siya as MP4 and after this is done, pwede nyo na siyang ma-play as a video. So, ito ay medyo matagal lang, lalo na kapag mahaba yung ginawa nyong PowerPoint or mahaba yung lesson na ginawa nyo, syempre matagal din siyang magse-save. So, let's wait for a while. This is actually my first how-to video. So, if you are actually new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you will be updated on the other how-to videos that I will be posting here in my channel. Yan, it's done. So, natapos na siya. So, now let's take a look kung nag-save ba siya as a video. So, let's minimize this. And then, let's see. So, kung makikita nyo na ito na siya, so, naka-item type na niya is MP4 file. And ang size niya lang is 2.91 MB kasi maikli lang yung ating ginawa. Ano? So, let's open this. And let's see kung naging video na ba siya. Ngayon yung na-record na part doon, syempre yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ano? Kaya, tips sa pagre-record, dapat nandun kayo sa tahimik na lugar. At pangalawa, dapat ay alam na ninyo or at least nakagawa kayo ng script ng inyong mga sasabihin nang sa ganon, hindi kayo malilito or meron kayong mastery dun sa lesson na inyong ituturo para hindi kayo malilito sa paggawa. So, for those non-teachers who are actually watching this video, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin on different purposes or sa ibang purpose. Kung mga students kayo, pwede nyo gamitin when you have projects. This is actually one technique in making videos. Okay, so let's open this through Windows Media Player. Okay, let's see kung nag-play siya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagsimula na yung ating recording dito. Yon, narinig nyo na, no? So, syempre, yung na-record dun kanina is kung ano yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, let's see. Ayan, we have here the pause. But the rule that we have here is to be respectful. And then, there you have the random ideas. Then, you can tell something about the pic. So, at this moment, I will be stopping. So, stop ko siya. Okay, so, kung makita nyo, naging video format na siya. So, that's it. That's how you make a video material out of PowerPoint. Easy, right? So, I hope this how-to video will be helpful to you in making your projects or making video materials for your students. This is all for today. I hope you have learned something. Thank you and God bless.